This is the recommended method of clipping baskets to soft close slides. Step 1, ensure that the slides are installed correctly. To do that, just pull them out and check that the inner member, which is this section here with the hook, is flush with the outer member, especially at the back where the dampener is fitted. So pull it in, clip it, check that it's flush. Step 2, our recommended plate position to hook the slides is 5 spaces up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that way you're avoiding this center wire. Next step, make sure that the slides are inside the cabinet. Count your 5 spaces back and clip it in with your hands. Do not force it with your weight. Clip the front 2 first and clip the back. All done. The slight clicking sound that you can hear is normal. It's the dampener activating.